You don't have to worry about combs, lace closures. You have to worry about laying no baby hairs. This is going to go on your head, stay on your head, and you're good in about 10 seconds, sis. 10 seconds. Love it. Oh, there we are. Hey Royals, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Liz, aka Royal Beauty, and today we're doing wig reviews on my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome to the realm. Welcome to the realm. You are so welcome, and I'm happy that you're here checking out your first review on my channel. And sorry I look crazy for your first time being here, but if you stay tuned, you might enjoy what you see and you might decide to subscribe because it's lit over here. So if you are new, welcome, and like I said, please subscribe. If you are one of my loyal royal subscribers, welcome back. We are doing another wig review, like I said, and today's wig review is brought to you by So Good Shop. And SoGoodBB.com is a online beauty supply store, but they are located in the ATL, and they have a variety of awesome, amazing wigs. One of their brands that I love is Bobbi Boss, so they carry a bunch of Bobbi Boss wigs amongst others, and they always have them on deck, different variety of colors, and they're lit, and their customer service is as well. So make sure you check them out if you are interested in purchasing, especially the wig that I'm going to show you guys today, which is super cute, and it's actually become one of my favorite wigs this winter already. So I'm gonna go ahead and review her for you guys. I actually have been wearing this wig plenty of times. People have already been asking me about her. The wig that I'm going to review today is a FREETRESS Equal Wig. This is the luxury integration wig, and it comes in the color HD Sage. Her name is Arianna. Not gonna lie, the first time I saw Arianna, it was on So Good Shop's website, or I think it was their Instagram. It popped up on there. The color that I had seen it in was OM1B2726. 2726. Right, yeah. I don't know why that took me so hard to say that. But that is the wig that I saw. It was this blonde ombre color, and I was like, I have to have that wig. I'm still searching for this wig because I love the cut, I love the bangs, and I love the color, and I really wanted this wig, but they did not have that one in stock. They have every other one but that one in stock, and I think it's because everybody saw that wig and went running for it. I'm still on the hunt for it because, you know, I love my blonde wig, so I'm gonna try to purchase that color. But they were kind enough to send me HD Sage, which has a hint, and I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. It has a hint of blue, purple, kind of like a royal blue first, and then a turquoise blue somewhere in there, and then purple, and it's really pretty, and it's just at the tips, and it has a bang like you see here. So it has a bang, and they have all the other colors like I said, but they don't have the blonde one, which I really wanted. That was like right there. Okay, so Arianna, like I said, is a synthetic unit. It is curling iron safe up to 400 Fahrenheit. So just make sure you take your time with that. I haven't put any heat to her yet because I haven't needed to, but she is very beautiful, and I love how simple and yucky textured it is. Right here, I'm gonna go ahead and put her on my head, but first I'm gonna show you what she looks like. So this is HD Sage. And I don't know if you guys can see the color from there, but she's got some nice little colors. Now, I've been rocking this wig regularly for some days now, and she still looks really good. I am going to brush her out once I put her on, but you can see just from like the mid area and on down, you start to see the color in there. So pretty and very subtle. This color is very subtle. It is a full cap wig, so there are no combs in this wig. It only has an adjustable strap, which is just fine for me because that's what I use. It is bangs, so you don't necessarily need combs, but you do want to make sure you use the adjustable strap to make sure it stays on your head. I can't remember it being insanely big head friendly. It's more medium size head friendly, but if you comb your hair straight down, it should fit. It just will be snug. All right, and this is like the fastest way, the fastest style ever. Like, you don't have to do anything to really get this thing going. Once you put it on your head, she is ready to go, and I love that. That's one of the reasons why she is hands down my favorite wig so far for the winter, because I can throw this wig on. Sorry y'all, I got hairs somewhere. You know, when you have hairs everywhere and start getting caught in your lip gloss, it's just not cool. All right, so the thing about bangs is you have to like really do the work to figure out where you want it. If you want to pull it back or if you want it to be over your brows. My brows look kind of good today, so I kind of want to show them off, but bangs go over your brows. So I particularly like to rock her over my brows, unless I'm having a good brow day and I want to show them a little bit. You can certainly wear it right here. The models, however, have it over their brows, like dang near touching their lashes. So I'm going to show you guys that way as well. But here is how she looks hovering over my brows. This is the color. So beautiful. Look at this color, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and brush her. Sorry, I've been brushing my other wig, so I got like blonde streaks in it. But let's brush her out so you guys can see what she looks like. Okay, there we go. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? This is like the easiest you can get. Full cap wigs are legit all the way across the board. Anything that says full cap wig means you don't have to worry about combs, lace closures. You have to worry about laying no baby hairs. This is going to go on your head, stay on your head, and you're good in about 10 seconds, sis. 10 seconds. Love it. Now I'm going to pull it down. So I'm going to grab from here. Just grab the bangs and kind of pull it over. Oh, and this is like my favorite way to rock this because look at this, y'all. Look, sis, right over my brows. It's just beautiful. And it's kind of layered around my face. And I didn't cut it. I didn't do that. It already has, it's kind of like they took their time to make sure that it kind of did like a little bit of a good transition between links, so that you don't just have bangs and then swoop straight down, which is fine too. That's not a problem, but that kind of adds a little bit more edge, a little bit more character to the wig, having it be just a tiny bit, and you can see it's not even that serious, but a little bit of a layer right there. So I like this wig, y'all. She's easy, she's fun, and then the color adds a little bit more personality to the wig, a little bit more sass to the wig. So you kind of like, you don't see it, especially if I wear the hair all the way back. You don't see that color. You don't see that color unless you see me walking from the back. Like, whoa, where did that come from? Character at the bottom. So for those of you who are scared of color, this is a fun way to add a little bit of color to your hair without going overboard or being too scary. It's perfect. I love it. This wig is awesome and it's comfortable. It has its yaki texture, which you guys already know I love yaki. So yeah, I just wanted to share this wig with you guys. First, because this is my favorite wig of winter so far, and secondly, because So Good Shop was awesome and dope enough to send it to me. I wanted to share the wealth if you guys are looking for a wig like this. So definitely check out their website. It'll be down below, and as well as their other colors. If you guys have any questions that I did not answer for you guys, please feel free to comment down below and let me know what you need from your girl. And if you do subscribe, also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my wig reviews. I have a bunch of them coming at you today. And I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, stay royal. I don't know where the finger thing came from. That's new. That's new. I don't know if I like it yet, but it's something. See you guys.